Ooh, the hair. Okay. Hi, hello, hi, welcome back to Life with Naya. I'm Naya. Get ready with me quickly. You're like, girl, why are you talking so fast? What's going on? What's going on? Who's chasing you? Why are you talking so fast? I am talking this quickly because I am filming with my best friend today. We are doing a collab. I'm not going to say what it's about just yet. I will be teasing it though. We're filming a collab. The first video is going up on her channel. So like, please subscribe. Go and subscribe to M's Digital Diary. Do it right now, okay? Go watch our old collab so you can see how funny, amazing, and hilarious we are when we are together. And we are going to be filming a video together, and I'm so excited. But I took forever to do my hair. Like, I defined my hair. I took forever to do that, and then I took forever to put on all my jewelry because of these nails, which, like, they're so cute. Then a nail fell off, and I had to stick back a nail. A lot was happening. A lot was going on. It's actually not great. She's currently, like, messaging me, and I feel so bad because I said I wasn't going to film. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. Bestie, when you see this, I'm a liar. I wanted to film. I had the urge to film this Get Ready With Me, and I was like, I want to do it. So, mirror. Okay, you know what? I'm going to use this camera as my mirror. I don't have a mirror. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know if my mic is on. Y'all know I was having mic troubles in the last video, that was crazy. Every video, I have a new hairstyle. That's Black Girl Magic. Take a sip of my secret potion. One drop is all enough. What's that song? Little Mix Falling Out is like, that's crazy. I saw that the other day. I think it's like Jade or something. She made like a documentary and she was like shit talking to the other girls. And I was just like, what's going on with my childhood? What's going on? I'm just gonna quickly do my brows. I'm doing this makeup so fast. I'm not even doing a lot. I don't even know what my bestie's saying because she messaged me just now. Like, I swear I saw it. I hope y'all don't hear the trains in the back. I have my mic on, but sometimes I don't know why it picks up the train. And the trains have been extremely loud. Yesterday, I swear I thought I heard collisions. It was not collisions, thankfully, but I can't even see my brows properly to see if I'm lining this up good. Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't know. I need to do my brows with like I need to cut them. Should I check the messages? Should I see what my bestie's saying? We are gonna meet online. So you know what? Let me turn on my laptop from now. I'm rushing. This video is probably gonna be really short. Let's see. This is can I do my makeup in 10 minutes or less? Let's see. How fast can I film my makeup? I might even post this with no cuts, nothing. Okay, laptop is turning on. Great. I just saw a helicopter. Great. All right, let's cover the pimples. The salicylic acid has been working amazingly. Everybody say thank you to The Ordinary for helping out your girl's skin. So I'm just going to do concealer. I'm not even going to do foundation. I don't have time for that. Do I have time for anything at this point? No, I got time for nothing. I ain't got time for nothing. I'm loving the jewelry. I'm loving the nails. Look at these nails. I'm going to do some transitions on TikTok later. I'm loving these nails. Is this? No, bro. My phone's on 87%. What the fuck? The audacity to be on 87% when I have to film. Okay. Oh, shit. Great. Y'all can't see my password. We're meeting on... So, like, the way that we're filming, we're going to be filming on our individual devices, but then we're going to be on a meet with each other. And it's going to be amazing. Just, like, tune in. Go subscribe to M's Digital Diary. Subscribe to me as well, because we're going to post part 2 on my channel. And, I just know it's going to be an elite video, because when the two of us link up together, it's just amazing. Go follow our shared TikTok account and Instagram, Study with AI, not like AI, artificial intelligence. AI isn't Anaya any shiner. Yeah. Anywho, we thought we were really clever with that. Okay, we thought we were so clever when we realized, wait a minute, our initials spell AI. Perfect. Boom. Let's use that. Let's utilize that. Marketing technique, marketing tactic. Anywho, shit. I know I said I wasn't gonna do. Okay, let me log in. I'm like doing so many things. It is 11:42. It is 12 minutes after the time we said that we were gonna meet. I'm usually never late. I'm not the late friend. I swear to you, I'm not the late friend. So actually, I think I am the late friend. I am the late friend. Every single hangout we have, I'm the last person there. But it's not of my own free will. I don't have a car. Like, if it was of my own free will, I would be the first one there. But when we were in Trinidad, obviously, all of us, our parents are transportation, and I lived like the furthest away. Well, no, I kind of the furthest away from where the places we were living. Like, The roads by me are really busy. I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just going in with a skin tint because I just need to even out the skin color. Okay, let's go down. Bring it down the neck. I'm wearing white. This is risky. There's so many things happening. Log into WhatsApp web. You're a real one if you know WhatsApp. Culture shock, Americans. I already knew Americans didn't use WhatsApp, but just like, it's still so strange to me because my instinct is to add people on WhatsApp. And so when people don't have WhatsApp, I'm like, what's wrong with you? You're weird for not having WhatsApp, actually. I need to get rid of those mannequins in the back because I don't want that showing up when we're filming. God. It is what? It's been 5 minutes? I think I got a text. Hold on. I got a text! I love how you're the one rushing when, okay, she just sent me the link. She sent me the link at like 11:39. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah. And I know she's gonna watch this. My biggest supporter. She's gonna watch it. She's gonna be like, girl, I thought you said you weren't filming. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? One of the only times I will lie to you. And also when I'm planning birthday surprises. Those are the times I will lie to you. We'll never lie otherwise. Anywho. Okay. All I need to do is bronze it up. You know, get real. We just need to get real bronzy. Where's my... There's a... Was that a hair? Speaking of hair, get into the hair. Did I talk about my hair already? I think I did. Tap isn't logged in, bro. I swear. I'm like going through it right now. I'm going through it right now. Like, let's bronze it up. Oh my god. Bronze. I am in the process of watching Love Island. A new episode is coming out tonight, which, like, thank God. I was, like, fiending for an episode yesterday because there was no episode, and I'm like, Melanie, I need you to leave sincere. At this point, Melanie and Kata, y'all couple up. I'll get y'all to the finals. Trust. I will get those two to the finals. They don't need those. And what was the Casa men? They were all blah. Like, I don't know. I don't find any of the Casa men particularly attractive. I'm like, they're supposed to leave their OG connections, and yet the Casa men have nothing on the Villa men. I hate to say it, except personality. The Casa men have personality on the Villa men. Like, the Casa men, most of them are like gentlemen. And I love Corey for snitching and saying, hey, that man is not treating you right, and that was too much flesh. Great. Oh my god. Broski. What's happening? I'm like overstimulated. I'm getting hot. But I'm rushing. This is no fault of my own. It is 11:46. I love how I'm pushing us back. I'm so sorry. And my WhatsApp is still loading. Yeah, just put that in the back. Load. While that loads, I'm almost done. I swear to God, I'm almost done. I'm just waiting for that to load. Once that loads, I will join the meet. And we'll confess. We'll confess to our crimes. Will we confess? When you watch this video, this will be my confession. This will be my confession, bestie. This will be my confession that I was filming. But look, I'm doing my makeup. I swear. For once, filming is not distracting me or making me slower at doing my makeup. If anything, it's making me faster because I'm like rushing. I can't believe I didn't have a mirror. So I'm fully going off of how my makeup looks in this camera. So you see, I like needed to film. You see, look at me. I'm sincere. I'm spinning the truth. Ay. Oh my god. And my microphone is like all over the place. I might switch mics, honestly. I might switch to my other one because I don't really like this one. I just don't like the look. Anyway. What's happening? Oh, la. It is 9 minutes. This is the 10-minute glam. Literally, we're doing a 10-minute glam. Okay, so you know what's next? You know it's your girl. I'm sorry. Why am I quoting Kiki? Now's not the time to be quoting Kiki. Let's go. Translucent powder. Let's go. Under the eyes, on the chin, on the forehead, so I don't look shiny. And oops, I got too much. Go there. Go hair there. Everywhere. Everywhere's a little bit of translucent powder. It's 11:43. WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is still loading. Bestie, it's not me. Look at my WhatsApp. WhatsApp web is not loading. We were supposed to meet 18 minutes ago. I am so sorry. I hate being late, actually. I feel like it's so disrespectful of other people, and I just, like, I hate being late. I hate it with a passion. I despise it. It's my least favorite thing. My least favorite thing to do is to be late. Like, I can't stand it when I'm late. Like, anybody else could be late, and I am, like, a forgiving person, and I, like, don't care if other people are late. But if I'm late, who do I think I am? Why am I late? Like, it actually pisses me off so much when I'm late. Like, I don't even care if other people are late. But me, I'm late? No. That's just unacceptable. Completely unacceptable. I wish I had a mirror. I can't even see if this really, like, looks good. Because I ain't got no mirror. Okay, let's go in with Sheglam lip product. Let's go. This is a brown liner. I'm not even going to put on gloss. I'm just going to rock with this. Oh my god. Up around my lips. I don't realize. I'm, like, so aggressive. So violent with it. Like, oh my god. I got the brown all over my lip. I put on mascara. Oh, yay, it loaded. Oh my gosh, my bestie, she sent a message. She's like, I love how you're the one rushing and I'm the one who woke up late. I'm like, ugh, black girl hair. That's what it'll do to you. I needed to, like, plan an additional hour to do my hair. Anywho, let's just do the lips. Come on, let me join the meet. This is, like, taking me back to the days of online school and, like, being late and rushing to online class. I don't know what it feels like. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Of course, all it's doing is loading. Should I confess to my sins? The reason I'm late is because I was filming a get. No. I'm sorry. I cuss so much in this video. Okay, so when I'm rushing, clearly, that's when all the curse words come out. And I'm gonna have to fix that. So, give me a second. Go under the eye. Hey, y'all. Tell me why I'm getting ready and I got mascara on my eyes, so I gotta fix that.